You thought we were not gonna do the startup days? Are you kidding me, right? No, Corona is not killing us.
No.
Yeah, right? So we did it. Let me show you how we did it.
I personally welcome all our friends from the reminisce, bienvenue chez nous. You guys are present. It should be a souvenir.
We had investors on stage, we had the supporters on stage, we had a lot of startups pitching, but it was 950 registrations,
Yes,
right?
at the point we had more than 200 people virtually joining the event.
Yeah, we had one-on-one meetings, real hybrid. This is what we were looking for, right?
Yeah,
So,
we wanted to do that.
Startup investors is extremely important because when you start a company, you need to really juggle and balance a lot of different things, you know, investors, hiring, all of these different things, and you don't learn them by being in your office. And this interaction with people and getting like real feedback is extremely important.
To me, diversity and inclusion is like the key thing in innovation. If you don't bring together different views and different perspectives, then you don't have that innovation clash, so to say. So that's why I'm here. But I also think this is an important time to remind us, like even in times like this room is full of a ton of passion. To me, it shows the importance of why coming together still safely, because it's really in the conversation that new ideas are born.
so thank you very much. Join us next year. We will be there sitting in the chairs.
I might be on stage, who knows,
Yeah.
but it's fine.
Great pleasure. See you next year.
See
All
you
the
next
best.
year, yes.